So, continuing on the nature of proof. So a screen is not proof of anything. We talked about that in the previous video. Screens can't prove anything because of AI, and it's very likely for all we know, they're using very advanced AI to create everything that we're seeing on any screen at any given time, basically. Particularly ones that are hooked up to the internet, I would say, probably. Just have some sort of connection. So, like, so because of that, you can't know if any of the official government live stream anything that you're seeing on a screen, you can't know is true, because it could just be advanced AI. It could just be technology that we don't know about, and that's how they keep everyone dormant, and or how they keep everyone subservient. Because I think about this all the time. It blows my mind that billions of people just the billions of people live like this. The billion like the So the only way to really determine the nature of reality and whether or not something is true or false or even undeterminable is with math. Okay? Math. It's like my whole deal. Math. It's all over the channel. It's math. Numbers. Freaking numbers tell the truth. 2 plus 2 will never be anything but 4. Never. 2 things added to 2 other things will never not be 4. Try it. I challenge you to try this. If you can come up with a way where adding 2 to 2 is not 4, genuinely going 2 and 2 did not give me 4 fingers just now. Like one of my more recent videos where I showed the math about the distance to the horizon related to the circumference of the Earth, and how the sun would have to speed up. So like even in the globe model, even if that were true, even if we were really on a spherical rock flying through an abyss, swirling around at impossible speeds and impossible trajectories, whatever, even if that were true, the sun, so like Math proves everything. Math will show you the nature of reality. It shows you everything. You don't know how big something is, you measure it. It looks like 4 feet. Oh man, I measured it. It was actually freaking 5.5. My eyesight was off by 1.5 feet. Holy crap. That's an insane difference. So it boggles my mind how can so many, like, this is why I have to speculate on whether or not this is even real. Is because it's like, and by this I mean reality. I mean like this, or actually really just this society. Is this society even real? Like, are there other people out there actually real? Because how can you just, is it just me? Is it just me? Like, cause I came into reality. I was born, and I came into this, and even at a young age, I noticed how strange it was that everybody just kind of does the same thing, and everybody just kind of goes to work, comes home, goes to work, comes home, and really all that's happening is you're going from here to here to back to there, and back to home, to back to here. Even if you're doing like things in between, you going elsewhere and going other places, you're essentially just going between your house and work. And people just live like this. People just live like a machine. People just never questioning why this is how they're, never questioning the fact that they're forced to live like this, never questioning they just go, oh, okay, I have to earn money in order to shit. Cool. Oh, I get to go spend my day in a factory and you give me money for it, and that money I pay back to you just so that I can live, and then I go do it again the next day. The whole life. That's what's expected. Like, how can so many people just live like they're in a machine? Just live like this, like zombies. And then they get told some, people believe people believe that lava can naturally form hexagonal columns. Cool. Like, as it cools, forms hexagonal columns. People believe square waves are natural. Saw a video of a vase. It was like a piece of pottery stuck in the ground. It was like in the ground. It was like halfway excavated. It was like halfway, like, or maybe not excavated. Maybe it wasn't excavated, but it was showing. It was like halfway sticking out of the side of the cliff or whatever it was. And the dude in the video was trying to convince people that this was natural. It looked like a piece of pottery that had been, molded, that had been like, it had a hole in the bottom of it. It had like a, like a bevel. It had a bevel on the side of it, I'm gonna call it the base, on the base of it. It looked like it essentially had a base, and there was like a bevel, and like a hole in the center. And he convinced, assuming that all those people in that comment thread were not bots, because that's a thing now. It's a thing that we have to be concerned about on the internet now, is that it officially tipped over past 50%. More than 50% of the internet is bots now. It is officially mostly bots now. It is more than 50%. So assuming that the people in that comments thread were not bots, those people were convinced that this piece of pottery in the ground was natural and not man-made. People were convinced that those square waves are natural. That can just, these perfect lines, and then another set of perfect lines of waves coming exactly 90 degrees is natural. Dude told me that water, a fluid, can form geometric shapes naturally. Like without a container. Like like it can just do that. Like or without being frozen. Like the dude, dude goes, yeah, when it's frozen, it makes crystalline. It's frozen, guy. If it's frozen, it's not a fluid, is it? It's not. It's a solid now, isn't it? People have no idea what's true and what's not. And they, not only do they not know how to determine the difference between what's true or what's false, they don't care to. They don't care to learn how to understand reality. They don't care. Everyone's being taken care of by demon worshipping whoever. Like they're all the world has succumbed to the most insane case of Stockholm Syndrome. Evil has given them a home and food to eat, so they don't care what they have to do in order to survive. They know they're going to be fed and have a place to sleep, so they go along with whatever evil says. And then they love evil. They want to praise it. They want, because you're taking care of me.